Hey you guys, welcome back to the video, and today I have tons of cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm also going to be sharing some new cleaning tools and so much more. I'm just kind of picking up my room a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and wash my blankets. So we have a lot of laundry to tackle today, and I'm starting off with my sheets because they are gray. I'm just going ahead and putting a load of darks in there with the sheets. So I always wash the clothes in cold water. I don't want to mess up the color of our clothes or our clothes shrink or anything like that. So cold water is the safe way to go.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me.
So we've done some updates in the home. If you guys remember my husband's man cave in the upstairs room, I've done like a declutter video in there. Well, we moved some of his stuff downstairs where my office was and then moved my stuff upstairs. So this loft has a few of the things that just kind of like a catch-all space for us moving everything around. It took us a couple of days and we're still trying to like make the space look good. So it's a work in progress. And then this is also where we watch our it's like our theater space because we have a projector, and then those are the entertainment speakers on the right there, and we will watch movies on the wall. So we got a great projector from Amazon. It was such a good deal. I think it was like $50 and it was so worth it. So whenever we want to watch movies, we just take down those pictures, that artwork there, put it to the side, and we'll have that whole wall to watch the movie. So it's pretty neat. So I'm just going ahead and putting everything back and dusting and wiping down things, and then we'll vacuum in there as well. Today I'm reviewing a couple of new cleaning tools from Eureka. This is the RapidClean Pro. So this is a cordless stick vacuum that is super affordable that you can get right on Amazon. It's lightweight, it's cordless, and it's designed to make daily cleaning easy. So it is powered by the latest motor technology. So the suction is great. It picks up dirt and dog hair. So it does have a power button light indicator, and then also a button to increase the suction so you can pick up pet hair from the carpets and just get a more powerful suction if needed. And then the canister to dump out all the dirt is so easy to take off with just one easy button. It has 40 minutes long lasting runtime, and you can reach underneath furniture because it has that smaller head there, which I really liked because my other stick vacuum is really hard to get underneath like the dresser because it's so chunky or big. This is also cool because it has the light in the front there, which I love. My stick vacuum that I have been using does not have a light there, so so I love that idea. It also comes with a few different attachments, so you can get up high in the ceiling, you can get between your couch cushions, and also a dusting brush for curtains. But look here, you guys, I mean, the results are amazing. It really got a lot up just from my bedroom. So I will have the link to this vacuum in my description box, but after we finish upstairs, we're gonna head downstairs so I can show you guys my new Eureka wet vac that I'm obsessed with. So I'm so excited to share this new cleaning tool. It is now one of my favorites. This is the Eureka New 400. It is a cordless wet dry vacuum. So all clean in one path. So you vacuum and wash at the same time. The Eureka New 400 cordless floor washer is an effective way to clean wet and dry messes on multiple sealed hardwood floors, including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and marble. This is really cool, you guys. I just have to say this first. It propels. So when you move it, it kind of propels forward and just makes cleaning and using the wet vac so much easier. We're gonna go ahead and fill up this little container with the cleaner solution that they provide and some water. So the solution is pet family friendly. It's a powerful sterilizing liquid that can eliminate odors. So Eureka's dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate. You're always cleaning with fresh water. No more pushing around dirty water like a traditional mop. So I like how my floors dry super fast and it doesn't leave any streaks behind. Another really cool thing about it is it has a hands-free self-cleaning function that automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller. So it's fast and mess-free maintenance. So make sure you check my description box below. I will have the wet vac and the cordless lightweight vacuum down in the description box with the links. Check it out. I'm super happy with these products, so I do recommend them, especially if you're looking for something more affordable.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance. So babe, I cannot forget you. All I need is one drop and then all would be forgotten, babe. Can't live without you. You're like water, baby, water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're like water, baby, water. Whoa, whoa. It's been so long I can't remember your best sides and all of the lies. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like.
I started doing laser tattoo removal on my shoulder and on my ankle tattoo, the cherries on my ankle. I've done laser tattoo removal before. It hurts bad and it takes a series of appointments over a year, 2 years, however long it takes, depending on how big the tattoo is, if it's colored, if it's black. So that's what I've been doing. I'm pretty excited about it, but let me tell you, laser tattoo removal hurts way more than just getting the tattoo. So let me know if you have had laser tattoo removal before, or if you even have any tattoo.
It's like I've been walking here for days. All I need is one drop and then all would be forgotten.
So this happens to me too often, but I actually started cleaning up in the living room already. There were some toys and things that Ava had in there, and I didn't turn my camera. I didn't hit record. So all of that was not in the video, but we're just finishing up the living room. So now we're back upstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed because the blankets are clean and fresh. And then we're gonna go ahead and fold a load of laundry. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Eureka over on Amazon for their Eureka new 400 cordless wet dry vacuum, along with the RapidClean Pro. I will have their links down in the description box. Also, comment down below and say hi. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see you guys in the next one.